see we have a problem. You're back again. And this time I managed to have it the way it should. Oh boy. Communication devices in front of you. Oh boy. Do you have secrets for me? Please do. And it better be good against the court, because I need it. Against Firo the Cat. As to why, I ask? Secret. Secret. Top secret. Firo the Cat and Springtrap are father and son, and they have adopted Plushtrap. Springtrap. Do I know him? Oh god, you mean to tell me Firo the Cat is my brother, but animatronic? Please no. Please no. Firo the Cat is William Afton's dead son. William Afton's my father. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? His true father is Springtrap, aka William Afton, who murdered the missing kids in FNAF. Here's the thing. I already know about those murders. The 5 missing kids. Everything. I witnessed it. You're welcome. He broke the 4th wall by simply meeting with the creator. We break 4 walls. That's nothing. He's been befriending He's been befriending dangerous animatronics after knowing their personality. I do that. I fucking do that. He was tied up multiple times by William Afton and Plushtrap against his own will. This does not help. This does not help. He's dating the enemy's gender-fluid child named Pop Goes Jr., aka PJ. Whatever floats his boat, whatever floats his boat. If he's in love with the enemy, he's in love with the enemy. I do not care. You be you. He's actually the son of William Afton, just possessing a cat animatronic. It's not that. It's a thing. You are not helpful. You are not helpful. This does not help at all. I mean, yeah, okay, him being my brother, apparently, this does not help. This does not fucking help at all. You lot have been, you have been asking me to do shit, and it's not okay. I don't mean the animatronics, okay? The animatronics have been asking me. But Fred Bear, oh, she's a wonderful bear. I say she, I'm supportive, I'm a race anyways. She's been telling me not to do all of this, but I'm doing it anyways. So to know that Firo the Cat is my father's other son who died, and I didn't get to fucking know. Wonderful. Just wonderful, okay? One day I'm going to get to my father. One day. And talk to him about this other child of his. And to ask him, why did he keep this a secret? Why? For God's sake. Thank you for this. I really appreciate it. I don't really, because knowing that he's my brother, oh god. Thank you, I suppose, really. I'm going to ask him why he kept this a secret. Why he decided to throw it off the end of a bridge to not tell me I had a brother. swear to fucking God. Thank you, though. Thank you. This will not be good on anything. Actually, yeah, neglect. Neglect is a crime. To know neglect is part of his plan of being a father who never told me and just simply let his other child die. That's a court case in itself, so thank you. But to know I got a brother. To know I got a brother. Again, thank you, and I best leave it here now. Again, thank you, I suppose. You did a wonderful job in helping me find out I've got a brother.